Assalamu alaikum. A great news for everybody. 13 May has been a very important day actually. CBSE के results थे और election day था इंडिया में. I'm very happy to announce अनस classes ने जिन लोगों को online tuitions दिया in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. So amongst the 15 students, we got 3-4 toppers actually. जिनका मैं आपको परसेंटेज बताऊं कि हमने ऑनलाइन टीचिंग जो की है पिछले 2 साल की मेहनत है इसमें. बच्चे भी बहुत टैलेंटेड, जहीन, एफिशिएंट, पंक्चुअल and having the urge to study, the thought process amazing. Now we started with Aris Rajpurkar in 11th, and today on 13 May the results got declared. So he achieved 90.6 in 12th CBSE, Al Yasmin School, that's 12th standard. Then Matin Daure from Kuwait, he scored 95% in 10th CBSE exams, taught by Anas classes, tutors of Anas classes. Then Rujda, personal tuition in India. We gave her the tuitions for concept clarity and a lot of things. So she secured 92.2 in 10th CBSE. Tabish scored 72, and Labik from commerce, we have got commerce tutors also. So he scored 77%. Now I'll tell you the speciality. See, Matin Daure actually scored 99 in mathematics. It's amazing. You can see the results which I'm showing. I'm reading it. That's a great achievement for us. And I would like to specially thank the tutors of Anas classes who did an amazing, commendable job. जिनके वजह से काम हुआ है. खास इनकी मेहनत है जिन्होंने कंसिस्टेंटली 2 साल से इन लोगों को पढ़ाया है. तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन हमारी कितनी अच्छी है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. एंड यू कैन इमेजिन हाउ दे विल बी ऑफलाइन इन इंडिया. So I would especially thank Dr. Vikar, who taught chemistry, Professor Bushra Farooqi, who taught physics, Saif Nazir, who taught maths, Hina Naz ma'am, who taught chemistry for 10th, Neha ma'am and Mansoor Travadi, they taught 12 commerce के 2 बच्चे. तो ये combination है 15 बच्चों में, ये 5-6 टीचर्स है. And there are still some kids who we got through अमान भाई, अमान राजपुर. I thank him a lot. इनका ही लड़का है और बहुत जहीन है, who scored 90.6 in 12th, and 10th का भी it's 95. It's amazing. So these are the tutors, and we got some clients in Australia also. इनके 12th के रिजल्ट आएंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर इंशाल्लाह. सो आई एम शेयरिंग दिस ईयर्स अचीवमेंट कि 2 साल की मेहनत से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में लाइव क्लासरूम स्टाइल में हमने पढ़ाया है, एंड द रिजल्ट्स इन 4-5 किड्स ऑल्सो इट्स अमेजिंग. So I would like to thank my tutors, and I would like to thank Aman Bhai, who gave us so many students because of this. And all the students, I wish them all the best for the future endeavors कि ये लोग आगे जाके तरक्की करेंगे, because इतना अगर अचीव किया तो obviously they'll be going in a very good colleges. So this is the lesson to understand consistency, quality and efficiency. अगर आप करोगे, मेहनत करोगे, 2 साल का नतीजा 11-12 अच्छे से पढ़ोगे तो 12 में अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आएंगे, आपके बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्लियर होंगे. This is my message, and thank you very much once again. I wish them heartiest congratulations, Aris, Mateen, Rushda, Lavik, Tabish, and to my tutors also. There's a very important message from Anas classes. एक बहुत बड़ा अहम मुद्दा था ये for me, because it's amazing that these results have come. So I thank everybody once again. Almighty Allah gave us an opportunity, जरिया बनाया है कि एजुकेशन लोगों तक पहुंचाओ, और इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी दी हमारे ट्यूटर्स ने कि रिजल्ट सामने है. विद द प्रूफ आई विल टेल यू दैट द रिजल्ट्स आर देयर विथ मी. सो आई हैव रेड इट, एंड 99 in maths in 10th standard through Saif Nazir. It's amazing. He's an amazing tutor teaching from Delhi. So I've got a network all over India who teach many tuitions actually. हमारे अभी approximately 25 tuitions online चल रहे हैं. So we give quality in personal tuitions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.